Yeah, so we have reached till here. Table we have to work on table. We have two ways to create the table. One is the first method, another one is the second method. Both method we can follow and we can create the table. So create the file called table1.html. Table1.html. In table1.html file, table1.html file, start from HTML. You can use the body tag. Then we can follow one table tag. Not visible. This we need to remove and insert again. Table open close. Inside the table, you will keep a property called caption. Inside caption, you will write customer details. Customer details. Next, after that, follow the TR table row. Under the TR, we will follow the TH table heading. You can write here serial number of the customer. Then next we can write TD 01. One more TR you will write. Okay, next TR TH full name. We can write here a TD. Any name. Ganesh. Next TR TH mobile number. T right. So we will run this much. We'll see how table is looking. Then we can apply the remaining. Properties and we can check. Save now, run this file. So getting something, but should not look like exact table. It is something without property will look like this only. They will add the property, then it will look like as a table. Suppose for table you will keep here align as a center, align as a center. So table will come in the middle. Table will come in middle. Next, after that, table is looking congested completely. We have to make it spacious. For that, cell padding is required. Okay. Give 20, then run your page. You will find your table become very good spacious. It's got a space from inside. Okay, so space got applied. Something like this. Now add the next property called border. BORDER. Border equal to 1. So you will find a space will get applied inside the table as well as lining will come. The border will come. Getting border. Proper border will come. It's like this. Now it look like a table. Okay, so cell padding. Let's check with these people. Please run this much and let me know if your page is running. We can move next. Okay, let me know once you complete the code and you run it, and then we will change the cell padding. Cell padding we are given 20, we will increase 30, we will decrease to 10, and we'll see how the spaces inside the table is getting increase and decrease. Okay, so now after that, the cell padding we are given 20. Let's change to 30 and then see again, run the page. You will find table will be little bigger and it will have more space inside. Table will be little more bigger and it will become more spacious like this. Okay. Next after that, change the border. We are given one, keep to change to 10. Change the border to 10. Again, see how the space is getting applied. It is more space or less space? Okay, the border will be little wide border but only outside, not inside. Inside will be always 1 pixel. Outside becomes a more than 1. 10 become outside and 1 is inside. Okay. So now 10 convert into 30, 40. See how it is. You will see like your table look like it's a 3D table. Your table look like it's a 3D table. Look like 3D. So it is here something like this. Okay, that is called a which one? Border. But if you want to give the equal border inside, like as of now, how it appear like this. Border is outside. Inside is 1 pixel only. Okay. If you want equal border inside also, outside also, then for the CSS will be required. Now HTML will help you to apply the border, but inside 1 pixel, outside more than. Okay. So hope is working for everyone. We will add some more columns, some more rows, not columns. So come down and write one more tr, call age of the customer. Age, TD, 30 years. Yeah, 30 years. Next, after that, add one more tr. There you can keep call th. City, which city is from? So we can write the city name, TD. If Bangalore. Oh, something like this, right? So this is called table. But table we can create different type. This is one structure. This is one structure. Similar way, we have some other structure also. That also we can follow. But in this file, which property you added? You added a property called align. You added a property called self-padding. And one more property called border. So like this, we have 10, 12 properties for table. Okay. So now we saw, okay, how we can create table. Inside table, what will come? TH, TR, TH, TD, and caption. Total 5 tags. Once we combine, it will become a table. So first is table, then is caption, then TR, and inside the TR, TH and TD. TH will create a heading, it will come little bold, and TD will not be as a heading, it is normal text. It is a display as a simple text. Correct? So that we are going to make here, and now we will make a list of property that is suitable for table, TR, TH, and TD. Close to 10 properties we have. We will make a list, and then we can use it inside the all the pages. So come to the file again, developer guide. Right, so hope completed everyone. come to the next file. Call your developer guide. In developer guide, you will write here list of property, list of property, list of property in, list of property in table tr, th and td. Table tr, th and td, we have certain property and values. Will make a list. So now you have written a property called align. Align. Using align, you can set your direction of the table in the left, right, or center. Okay, so we can write here align has three values. One is called left, then is called right, next is called center. Left, right, and center. Next, after that, we have a property called border. Using the border property, you saw you apply the border. Next property you have cell padding. Cell padding. What is going to do? It used to apply a space. It used to apply the space inside th and td. Inside th comma td. Under the th and td, how it applies space? I'll show you in the browser first. Then we can write again next code. Okay, now suppose if I come to the browser, you can see inside the browser, this is the mobile number. And before, after, top and bottom, before this number, there will be equal space. Right? Equal space is there inside the border line, inside the boundary, inside this area. Okay, so after the mobile number, whichever the space is coming, that is inside the cell. That is inside the cell. So cell padding used to apply the space inside the cell. It can be TD or it can be TH. Okay, so either TD or TH, no problem. Inside, when we want to keep a space, when we want to make it a spacious, then we have to follow the property called cell padding. That you have written here called cell padding. It used to apply a space inside TH and TD. Okay, inside TH and TD. So this can be TH or can be TD. Inside, if you want to give a space, then we have to use the property called cell padding. Now write one more. Cell spacing. Cell spacing, what it do? It used to apply a space outside of TH and TD. It used to apply the space outside of TH and TD. Okay, now in the same file, the file we have created table 1, we will use cell spacing also. Then it will be clear idea. Yes, cell spacing, where it apply the space, and cell padding, where it apply the space. Okay, so hope you have written this. Now come to the file called table1.html. Table1.html. In table1.html, cell padding we have used 30. Now apply one more property called cell spacing. Cell spacing equal to maybe anything 15 or 10. Okay, hope ready. Next, after that, come to the browser. Cell spacing were written 10. Now look into the browser. You will find a space got applied. Where is that space? Between two cells. Correct? So when you look inside the mobile number, surrounding space is coming. That is because of cell padding. But when you look out of the cell, between two cells there is some gap. That is because of cell spacing. Correct? So cell spacing give the space outside and cell padding give the space inside. So according to need, we will keep following. Okay? Correct? So cell spacing, cell padding. Now add one more property called BG color. Using BG color, you can change the background of table also, TR also, TH also, and TD also. So we can write here BG color. To change background of TH, TD, TR, and table. So for these all four elements, we can change the background using same property. That is called BG color. Create one more file, table2.html. We will implement this property again in different way. We will implement this property in different way. So give the file name table2.html. Okay, done. Now create a table2.html. In table2.html, it starts from the HTML, follow the body tag. Create a table again. In this table, we will give align of table will be in center. Cell padding of table will be 15 px or 20. You can let's keep 20. Then keep border also 1, right? After that, keep border color also. Border color COLOR red. So border will come, and along with that, what will come? Border color will also come. Border will come, and along with that, border color will come. Now we will use a caption tag. We will use a caption tag. In that caption tag, you will follow the H1 tag. Why H1? Because we want to increase the font size. In previous table you saw caption was very small, text was a small font size. In this file we wanted the font size should be bigger. So for that we use the caption. Now inside the caption you can write customer details, not details, customer list. If you have one customer, you will follow the first table details. If you want to display one item details, then you can follow this format is okay for one item. But if you have multiple items, then you cannot follow that format. You have to follow the different format. What will be that? Let's follow here. Now caption is open close. Write the next called TR. Open and close. Inside the TR, you will follow the TH, serial number. Next TH you will follow full name. Next TH will follow all mobile number. Next TH we can follow city, and one more TH you can follow service. And one more TH you will follow, status. Save now. You can see, run the page, you will see one table will come where you will have a heading on the top. All the heading will be one place. All the heading will be one place. It's like this, right? So border is coming now, red color. We have one, okay. Let's come down, add some more data. Add one more property with your table. Give the property name called width property. Using width property, we can increase the width of table. So add the width called 70% of your screen. So in my screen also it will take 70% of my screen, and your screen also it will take the 70% of your screen. Happening. Save now. It's like this. Charging cable. Use your computer. Without charging it will not work. It is connected already left side. Okay, so hope you written the border as well as width. Right? Width is coming. Let me check. Hope your table is working. Current page. Okay, next after this, come down below. This TR is over. The table open close. Inside table we added some property. Next after that we added the caption tag. Then we follow the H1. Under the H1 we wrote called customer list. Next after that TR we have open and close. Under that we follow multiple TH. Now total number of TH you have called 6. Total we have called 6 TH. Come down. Now follow the TR where you will follow the TD. 01. Next TD. Next TD will be called name. Correct? So I wrote call Ganesh. Next TD will be for mobile number. In the same sequence we need to follow. Next TD will be called city. Next TD called service. Next TD called status. Ready? Check now. You will find something like this. Now come down, add one more PR. In that we can add the TD 02. One more TR. We'll add the TD. Name call any name. Next TD. Next TD. One more TD. One more TD. Save now. So you can see your table should look like this. Come down, add one more TR. Keep a TD 03. One more TD. Alex. One more TD. One more TD. From Chennai. One more TD. Next TD. Operator, how many TR? 3 TR. Look like this. Okay. Now you can look into the table. The border is coming double line, right? Double line. Sometime you have to make the double line border. Sometime you have to make a single line border. So if the requirement is to make a single line border, how to do that? Okay. So for that, we have to apply a property inside the table. Cell padding are given. Now apply the cell spacing. Cell spacing 0. Cell spacing as a 0. So it will not apply any space from any side. The border will be single line border. Border will be single line border. Coming single line border. Like this. Become a single line border. So to make single line border, what we have to do? Cell spacing 0. Between two cell, no space. Automatically it will look like a single line. Okay. So this file is also ready. In that we got some idea on border color. We got idea on width, and we got idea on cell spacing. Upper side it will come little two border. Inside will not be two border. Inside will be single box, single line. Okay. Now come to the developer guide again. We can make a note for border color, and then some more properties are there. We will make a note and then we'll come back again. So if we have multiple items, then we will display like this. Multiple customer, then we'll display like this. If you have single customer, then we will display like this. Because in this format, you cannot display the multiple users. It will become such a long table, right? For every user, you have to create one table. And this is table is only one, but inside the row are multiple. Okay, so this will be for the multiple records, and this will be for the single record. Okay, now based on need, we will write. Now, come to the developer guide. Hope border becomes single line border. Come to the developer guide file. We have written the property called border color. Border color. It apply color for border. It will apply color for border. Whichever the border we have, for that it apply the okay, got it. Now write the next property called width of the table. Width of the table. Next we can write height of the table. Next we can write width height. After that We can write next call span, COLSPAN, call span. What is the use of that? It used to combine a space of two or more TH and TD. TH comma TD. So call span, it used to combine the space of two or more TH comma TD. Hope written. Now create the second file, table3.html. Next file, table3.html to implement the call span. Okay, so hope we created table3, table3.html. Start from the HTML again. Use the table body tag. Then from the previous table, first line you can copy from previous table. In previous page you have written the table. So table line you can copy and paste here. Only table line. And close that table again. Close that table again. Okay, let's go ahead. Inside this table, cell padding is okay. Cell spacing is also fine. Border is also okay. Border color is also okay. You will remove the width property. Remove the width property. Okay, right. Next, after that, again, write a caption tag. Write one H1 tag and keep inside call table call span example. Table call span example. Now come down again. Use the tr. Use the th. Then follow again serial number. Full name. Mobile number. City name. Education name. Fine. Now come down. Write a tr. Miss call is required to this number. Miss call. Just checking. That new number was. Checking whether it is active or. Okay, so caption H1 TR. Next, after that, check this table also should look like previous table only. Okay, but in this we are going to use the call span. So enter the first row. Enter the first row where customer will have all the details. Like all the details, serial number, name, mobile, city, and education. So TD 01, next TD, full name, Ganesh, next TD, mobile number, next TD, city, next TD, education, so first user have all the details. Okay, so it will print successfully. Second user has not given his city name, which city he belong to. Second user has not given his city name, which city is belong to. So how to manage that? Come to the next year. TD 02. Next TD Mahesh. Next TD. Mobile number. Next TD. Direct education. Because he has not filled out the CT details. How it will look, that point we have to see now. Check, run your page. It will look like incomplete. It will look like last year is incomplete. Yeah, at the place of city BCA will come because the sequence is changed now. In fact, city is missing. Education is there. What is missing? City is missing. So in that case, suppose a particular column is missing, particular data is missing. How can you write the TR in such a way? It should not look like TR is incomplete. So suppose if I show you, you can see here. It's looking like one is missing. Missing is okay, but the content becomes a dearrange. Okay, content become dearrange. Now look at there. One column is missing. So we have a property called call span. Call span. With the help of call span, you can cover the space of missing TD. Now here, how many TD is missing? One TD is missing. So now whichever the TD is missing, before that TD, before that, we have called mobile number. Here you have Bangalore. Before Bangalore, what you have? Mobile number. Now we will ask the mobile number to take the place of city also. Because the city place is coming is empty. Because of that, education is shifted in the left side. Now we will ask the mobile number. Next column is absent. So you take the space. Okay, next column is absent. So you take the space. So in that case, how the mobile number will understand? I have to take the space of next column also. So table has given a property called call span. Call span. Once you apply the call span property, then your TD will understand like I have to take the more spaces. Now how much space we have to specify. Okay. So you will write here call span equal to not one. One is the current and one is missing. It should be as a 2. Then only the TD is already one TD. Now one is missing. Correct? So it has to take the place of current one. And even it has to take the place of next one. Yes. Check now. So let me show you how that appear. It appeared like this. Something like this. Now what is happening? the mobile number taking the place of city also. So that happened with the property call span. Right? Come next. Write the next year. Write the next year. TD 02. Next TD. Venice. Next TD. Mobile number. Next TD. City. But education is missing. Till city, everything is present, and one column is not filled by the user. That is called education. So now for education, we have to add something. Again, call span property. How many field is missing? One field is missing. So for city, you will write call span 2. So one is the current one and one is the missing. So total will be call span 2. So hope written and your page look like this. This is called what? Call span. Next user we have in such a way, he has missed out city also as well as mobile number also. City and mobile number, 2 field are not filled. That meaning he has given the name and he has given directly education. And 2 are missing from in between. So how to do that? Write again one TR. Hope the page is running. Next TD 03. Next TD next TD next TD oh, mobile number is not given. Directly given call education, right? So what will happen now? 2 columns are missing. That also before education and after name. Before education and after name. So in that case, we have to apply the call span not for the education, but for the name. The first occurrence. Whichever is missing, before that, which column is exist. For that, you have to apply the call span. So right here, for name, call span, how much? 3. 2 is missing and 1 is the current one. So call span will be 3 only. Okay, save now. Check once. It's like this. That is called call span. Call span. So using call span, we are able to combine the space of two or more TH and TD. Right. Come to the same file. Add one more TR where a user has everything. User number 4 have all the details. So write a TR where user number 4 have all the details. TD 04. Next TD. Next TD. Next TD. Next TD. Ready? So last user have all the details. Now you see in this file, last both the user education is same. Education is same. And even it is not like both are coming two places. Both are coming just one after other. This is also BTech, this is also BTech. In between, there is no any other user called BCA. Both are coming just one after other. So what we can do is, table has given one more property that is called row span. Row span. Using call span, you are combining the space left to right. Using the row span, you can combine the space from top to bottom. So BTech is coming 2 times. That becomes duplicate record. Okay, why duplicate? Because both are coming one after other and record is same, value is same. So why can't we do something in such a way? Display only one time between both. Combine the space of first TD and second TD and display the BTech only one time in between. So it will say first user also belong to same BTech and second user also belong to same. That is called a row span. So then question is where to write the row span? Now remember, call span when you have written, you have not written for the last TD. You have written for the first TD. For first occurrence, we have written the call span. Similar way here also, if you want to write row span, you will not write under the row number 4. You have to write under the row number 3, so that it will take the place of current and it will take the place of the next also. So in this TD, you will write here the row span equal to how much? 2. Same BTech is going to come for the third user and same BTech is going to come for the fourth user. Something went wrong because in this TD I have written row S1 2. So this BTech will take the place here and the same BTech will take the place here. So this BTech become extra now. This TD becomes a extra. You have to remove that. Remove the last. Okay, and then run it. You will find it will fit properly. So it's something like this. Yeah. Height of height. We have height property also. We will use the height property also. So check till here. Working. It's like this. Let me check with them. Okay, add one more user. Add one more user. TD 05. Next TD. Next TD. Next TD. Correct. Last is ready. Check now. So the last user have all the details. So it's appear like this. Now assume user number 4 and user number 5 belong to same city. Example, if I write here call Kolkata. If you write here call Kolkata, then what will happen? Both user belong to same city. Again, we have to apply the row span. So where to apply? Row number 4 or 5? Row number 4, we need to apply call row span. The row span equal to 2. Same Kolkata will be taking the place here. Same Kolkata will take the place here. Kolkata don't remove, you can comment like this. This way you can comment. It will be clear, yes, Kolkata we can't write 2 times, so second one is commented. Commented code will get ignored by browser. Okay, done. Okay. Save now and check once. Right? So we got idea of row span and call span. In your WhatsApp group, I will send you now 5 photos. 5 photo I'll send you. You need to create 5 pages, and that should look like that. Okay, so the photo is kind of a homework. You will see the photo, and in photo, what design is there, you need to write. So that 5 photo I'll send you, it is based on table. Table, row span and call span. Row span and call span, both combinations. Okay. Hmm?